Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to enable save screenshots of sites for history in Microsoft Edge. You can enable the save screenshot of site for history feature in Microsoft Edge to have the browser automatically take the display thumbnails of the sites you visit in your browsing history. To enable this feature, you will have to open Microsoft Edge on your computer and then click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to click on privacy and search services, and then on the right hand side you will see an option for search and connected service. You may go ahead and click on that. So you will have to scroll to the extreme bottom until you locate save screenshot of sites for history. To enable this feature, you will have to go ahead and enable this by toggling this button. Once enabled, Edge will automatically save screenshots of the sites you visit. When you open your History Hub by pressing Ctrl+H or access it from the menu, hovering over your URL will display the screenshot as a thumbnail, making it easier to visit or revisit the sites visually. If you do not see this option, ensure your Edge browser is updated to the latest version, as this feature was initially available in preview for Canary or Dev builds but is being rolled out for all the stable version. Turning off this feature will delete existing thumbnails and stop Edge from saving new ones. So this is how you can go ahead and enable save screenshots of sites for history in Microsoft Edge. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.